Hi, in this video, we're going to check to see if your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro is carrier lock or network lock. And to do that, first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on General. Then tap on About. And down here, you can see, if we scroll down, we can see it's a carrier lock. We can check to see if it's locked or not, and here it says no SIM restrictions. And what this means is that you can put any SIM card in and it will work. It doesn't matter from which network it is, and it is especially useful if you need to buy a second-hand phone and when you need to bring it overseas to use it with a different carrier overseas. Then this will allow you to use any SIM card, and that's it. So that's how you can check to see if it is a network lock or not. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.